In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna on Ticketmaster in 26 step by step. To get started, open the Ticketmaster website or launch the Ticketmaster app on your device. Once you're there, sign in to your Ticketmaster account. It's a good idea to log in first so the checkout process goes more smoothly and your ticket selections can be saved properly. After that, search for the event you want to attend. You can use the search bar to find the concert, sports game, show, or other event you're interested in. When you find the right listing, choose the tickets you want to purchase. Make sure to check the date, location, seating section, and quantity before moving on. Once everything looks correct, click Next or Checkout to continue. On the next screen, take a moment to review your order details carefully. This is where you'll want to make sure your tickets, pricing, fees, and total amount all look right. When you're ready, continue to the payment section. In the payment area, look through the available payment methods and find Klarna. If Klarna appears, select it as your payment option. If you don't see Klarna listed, that usually means the purchase is not eligible. Eligibility can depend on the event, the total purchase amount, or your region, so availability may vary from one order to another. Once you choose Klarna, you'll be asked to log into your Klarna account. If you don't already have one, you may be given the option to create an account during this step. Follow the prompts to complete any required identity or payment verification. This part is important because Klarna needs to confirm your eligibility before you can continue. Next, choose the payment plan that's available for your purchase. Depending on your location and approval, you may see options such as Pay in 4, Pay in 3, or monthly financing. Keep in mind that not every option is offered to every user, and the choices you see will depend on your country, your eligibility, and the specific event you're booking. Finally, review your order one more time before submitting it, confirm the Klarna payment, then complete the purchase. After that, wait for your Ticketmaster order confirmation to appear or arrive in your email. Once confirmed, your booking is complete. And that's how to add Klarna on Ticketmaster. Just sign in, pick your tickets, head to checkout, choose Klarna if it's available, complete the verification, select your payment plan, and confirm your order.